Are you a phone photographer or a lover of photography and you have been imagining why your photograph looks dull, soft, and unprofessional? Then this video is for you. So you have to stick around and watch from the beginning to the end. Hopefully, you have been making these 5 mistakes that I'm about to mention now. 5 mistakes that beginners phone photographers make. So hopefully you have been making one of them or two of them or even all of them. So you have to stick around. If you know you have not given us a follow, please make sure to give us a follow, like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And also turn on your notification bell so that you never miss a video from us. And if you notice that this video is very helpful to you, you can also share it to your friends, family, siblings, loved ones, and all of them. So yes, so let's dive into it. 5 basic mistakes that phone photographers make. If you do not clean your lens, I don't know what you want to achieve. Do you want to have a good shot by not cleaning your lens? There are some dirt in your camera which needs to be removed. You must clean your lens. That one is very, very appropriate. You don't just bring out your phone from your pocket or wherever you kept it and then you want to snap. You just bring it out without cleaning your lens, without even checking it if it is dirty or not. You just start snapping. So number one among it is not cleaning your lens. So please always make sure to clean your lens. Avoiding to focus. This one is not negotiable. You must focus. Your phone camera does not focus on its own. You will be the one to direct your phone that okay, this is the person I want to snap. This is a product I want to snap. It does not just automatically start focusing on its own. So you must tap your screen, tap the camera to focus. That's the only way you will have sharp images. Sometimes you might bring out your phone, you want to snap, and then after snapping, you notice that this picture is not sharp. This picture is not sharp. It's because you did not tap to focus. Your camera is probably focusing on another thing. Taking photos in bad lighting. You must Photography has to do with light. First of all, let me start from them. Photography has to do with light. So without light, I wonder what you want to snap. Just imagine snapping somebody in a room that is very dark. There's no light. What do you want to achieve? It's total darkness. So and you cannot snap. In fact, your camera will not even snap anybody in total darkness. That's why you can open your curtains, your windows to snap, or you can even come outside where there is enough light and then you snap. So photography has to do with light. Make sure you have enough light. If there is not enough light, you are going to have a very blurry image and the skin texture is not going to come out very fine. So you need enough light to have a good shot. Using digital zoom, a lot of persons fall prey to this because some persons might actually want to zoom in from one angle to another. Just imagine you want to snap and you are standing at angle 1 and you want to zoom into somebody in angle 20. Of course, you are going to have a very blurry image. The skin of the person is going to lose textures and that's not what you want. You want something very sharp. Go closer to the person. Some iPhones have 1x, 2x, or even up to 5x. Leave it in the 1x. Yes, leave it in the 1x and go closer to the person and snap. That's the only way you can get nice shots and the skin texture will come out very fine. Most beginner photographers usually fall prey to this. They usually make this mistake. And what is it? Ignoring composition. Yes, ignoring composition. Some persons don't actually apply the rule of third because this is where the rule of third comes in. And what does the rule of third says? Rule of third says slightly position your subject off the center of your camera. Slightly position your subject off the center of your camera and snap. You know, when you do this, it's going to give your photograph this kind of professional picture out of the ordinary because on a normal circumstance, everybody wants to position their subject at the middle of their frame and then they snap. No, 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 no. You can do something out of the ordinary, very professional. You notice that when you snap, when you take your subject slightly off the center and then snap, you are going to have this professional kind of image. It's going to look, out of the ordinary. It's going to look professional. So composition matters a lot and make sure you apply the rule of third. So if you have followed us up to this moment, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to turn on your notification button so that you never miss a video from us. And of course, if this video has been helpful to you, you can decide to share to your friends and family to also, to also learn and know these 5 mistakes that they are probably be getting wrong, so that they can also amend and take good pictures. So see you in my next video.